We woke up early para medyo mauna-una kami dito sa breakfast buffet. By the way, Kuya Jay ang supplier ng breakfast buffet ng Azalea.
Yes. Right along.
So, for today, after namin mag-breakfast, sarap yung breakfast in fairness. Ito kaming Session Road. Hindi na daw kami mag-iikot Stone Kingdom kasi sabi ni EJ, baka hindi ko daw ma-appreciate and then papagod lang daw ako dun. So, punta na lang daw kami sa Session Road, mag-uukay kami, then magtitingin kami ng mga shoes. Mag-vlog dapat kami kanina sa breakfast kasi well, para makita nyo rin yung breakfast buffet ng Azalea. Nagtanong si EJ kung pwedeng mag-video. Siyempre, baka bawal. Maganda na rin yung nagpaalam. Tapos sabi nung attendant, vlogger po kayo. Ayusin lang po namin. So, nahiya na kami mag-video. Baka bukas na lang pag wala na masyadong tao. Kasi biglang dami rin ng tao. So, alam mo, cool na itong hotel na to kasi usually sa mga hotel bawal magluto, di ba? Kasi in-encourage nila na bumili sa hotel. Bumili sa kanila. Yung mga Airbnb, kalimitan yung mga pwede magluto. Pero pagdating namin dito, meron siyang digital stove. Tapos, meron siyang mga plates. Teka, kita ba? Yan. May plates and then meron mga utensils dito, tinidor, kutsara. May kutsilyo nga eh. Tapos meron ding ito, pang soup. Tapos, dito yung mga baso. And, pwede talaga magluto kasi may pan. At may mga gamit. May pambukas nga ng delate. Kaya cool siya for me. Tapos meron ding, what do you call this? Parang yung exhaust kapag nagluluto. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Wala kasi kami ganyan sa bahay. Yung least favorite ko kapag nag-check-in or kapag yan, sa bakasyon na sa hotel. Kapag mga nights before, unti-unti ko nang ayusin. Pero since 3 nights naman kami, ganyan pa siya. Hindi pa ako mag-aayos. Talaga siya. Hindi ako magpainit. May pula-pula na. Naglakad na galing Session Road. Paina Mansion. Sana andun sila?
Yan. Ito malakas ang bag.
Oo. Wala sila sa Ina Mansion. Nasa Good Day sila. Nagla-lunch. So, lalakarin na namin papuntang Maruders. Ano pa ka? Maruders Brew Cafe. Pag papunta kayo sa Maruders Brew Cafe, you have to fight for your breath. Lapit lang siya sa Burnham, 10 minutes walk. Pag nakita niyo na yung Crown Legacy, ito siya actually, sa likod na part to. Pag nakita niyo yung malaking mall ng Crown Legacy, yun na yun. Dito na tayo sa Maruders Cafe. Butter beer. Yay! Walang sarap. Try nyo pag pumunta kayo dito. Sarap.
There was wine on the floor. There was music in the air in our eyes. There was light, it was morning. There was silence in the car. Before this last long love lifted off, there was crying the night before. We went and saw your mother. Finally I found the truth. Finally I could run to you, wake me up when I'm there. All I ever was waiting for you. Waiting for you all my life. Waiting for you. I feel the warmth of your skin, if even for a moment. Then we're flying on a wind. We were bathed in lilac light. All at once, I'm your king, I'm at peace, I can see it everything. All I ever was, all I ever was.
Kamusta yung burger? Dahil natin ubusin yun. Because this is something that makes me happy. Nag-housekeeping sila. Nirefill nila lahat. Kahit na hindi namin ginalaw yung shampoo and sabon and lotion and everything. Including yung tissue paper, nireplace nila, and toothbrush, nireplace nila kasi may dala kaming amin. This is what I'm going to wear today. Kailangan ko na mag-ready kasi susunod na ako sa BCC for the service for today. Nauna lang si EJ kasi may assignment nga siya. So, dapat maaga siya dun.
Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me, Savior. He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save. Forever, honor of salvation.
After the service, I joined GCI Pasig's celebratory dinner at Amare. Pumayat ba ako? The chef was very kind. Inopen niya pa tong kugon kung saan nila binibake yung pizza nila. So, I can take a video of it. And that wraps up our day 2. Marami pa kami pinuntahan at kinainan on day 3. So, please watch it!